Welcome friends. I am Geetika Vise, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, JNC, Aurangabad. Our today's topic of discussion is Fundamentals of Town Planning. The content of presentation, we are going to study the definition of planning and town planning, objectives of town planning, principles of town planning, and necessity of town planning. So we will start with history. As we know, the whole world is passing through planning age because of industrialization. Without planning, nothing succeeds. So we have domestic planning at individual level, rural planning, urban planning to defense planning at national level. Our India is also implementing 5 years plan for the development of the country on all its required fields. Concept of planning. Planning means pre-thinking and pre-arranging of the things before an event takes place to achieve good result in health, convenience, comfort and happiness of all the living beings. So, by careful planning, we can minimize the mistakes of the past and be wiser in future. Next point is difference between urban and rural areas. Town or city is considered as urban living areas, while village is considered as rural areas. Here I have listed few differentiating points which can differ urban area from rural area. So the first differentiating factor is occurrence of natural surroundings. Second factor is population living in that area. Third, occupation of the area. And fourth point is population density per square kilometer area. So you can go through this table. The next point is components of planning. The basic components of town planning are residential area, commercial area, education area, industrial area, recreational area, public, semi-public area, utility, service area and agriculture area. So we'll start with town planning. Definition. Town planning is the arrangement of various components or units of a town in such a way that the town attain the significance of living organism. So in previous slide we have listed the components or units of a town. So all these units are accommodated in such a way that the town attains the significance of living organism. Similarly, town planning can be defined as an art of shaping and guiding the physical growth of the town, creating buildings and environment to meet the various needs and to provide healthy conditions to live, to work and to play for the residents. So next point is objectives of the town planning. According to Town Planning Act, the main objectives of town planning may be summarized as health, convenience, beauty and environment. So we will start with health. It is related to the creation of and to promote healthy conditions for all the people from rich to poor to live, to play or to relax. Then it is also related to make the right use of land for the right purpose by zoning. So zoning means division of land. So by this zoning we can avoid encroachment of one zone upon another for smooth and orderly development of the town without causing any conflict. So health objective can be considered in planning by these 2 points. Second objective is convenience. The object of convenience is the provision of various needs of the community as social, economic, cultural and recreational. In that, public amenities include water supply, sanitation facility, electricity supply, post offices, banks, etc. And in recreational amenities, we can include open spaces, parks, gardens, playgrounds for children, and town halls, stadium, community centers for adults. The third object of town planning is beauty. So, beauty is related to the preservation of the individuality of the town by developing it on its most suited natural conditions. So, some towns or areas possesses hills, valleys, lakes as natural features. So, we have to preserve the individuality of the town by developing it on its natural conditions. The next factor is in beauty. It is related to preserve the aesthetics in the design of all elements of the town, which includes preservation of trees, natural greenery, ancient architectural buildings, temples, churches, mosques, etc., buildings of cultural and historical importance. So, by adopting this part, we can provide the object of beauty in town planning. Then fourth object of town planning is environment. It includes the environment should be molded in such a way that man can go about his normal activities, day-to-day activities with least amount of stress and with least amount of time. So these are the four objectives of town planning. The next point is principles of town planning. The main principles of town planning are listed below. The first one is there should be no haphazard method in planning process. Second principle is the housing accommodations to various classes of people should be allowed to develop. So, if slums are existing, these should be pulled down by making some alternative arrangement of accommodation like transit camp for the dishoused persons. Then third principle is civic amenities should be provided to all the residents. So civic amenities include shopping centers, dispensaries, schools, nurseries, etc. should be provided to all the residents. The next principle is adequate open spaces should be reserved for public recreation and for the future expansion of the town. Then public and semi-public buildings should be grouped and distributed neatly throughout the town. The system of zoning should be strictly followed. The town should be divided into suitable zones like residential zone, commercial zone, industrial zone and recreational zone. Then growth of the town should be controlled by the green belt. Here, green belt means it is an open strip of the land all around the town or city which is reserved for special purpose of limiting the growth of the city. At present, it can be used for the cultivation of vegetables, fruits, farm industry, and in case of requirement, it can be used for the development of the town. So these are the principles of town planning. Necessity of town planning. So in absence of planning, the town suffers from the bad situations like sprawl engulf every town and city, wastage of time, money and energy, noisy traffic should be there, indiscriminate seating of industries because of lack of zoning, increased industrial population, insufficient open spaces, and lack of public amenities. So these are the few points regarding the fundamentals of town planning. Thank you.